What is going on, everyone? My name is Brob and thank you all for watching today's video. In this video we will be talking about the latest crypto news regarding Bitcoin and altcoins. If you like this video, be sure to leave a subscribe. We will be posting daily on X and 2 or more videos a week on YouTube. Let's get into it. So starting off, we have an article here talking about Mt. Gox moving Bitcoin on chain. Right now they moved about 47,228 Bitcoin on chain. Yeah, they still hold a bit more. Looking at this other article, they still hold around 140,000 more Bitcoin, worth around 7.5 billion. So that's actually quite a lot of selling pressure if that were to come into the market. But it's also not given a fact that all the people they distribute to are gonna sell their Bitcoin. Probably some people already forgot, or they will keep the Bitcoin anyway. Then looking at the Bitcoin ETF, we saw positive inflow of 143 million, which is a lot. It looks like that this recent dump for Bitcoin has spiked some interest in the market, with the ETFs buying more than selling, which is very bullish in my opinion, because that's where the smart money is at. Looking at the chart, I drew a different line right here, a trend line going down, because maybe if we look at this, if we delete this triangle formation, we can actually see that the Bitcoin price now is consolidating in some sort of possibly bull flag, maybe big bull flag, some consolidation phase. Right now you can see that actually my level at 65k, 65.5k held up the Bitcoin price. As I said in a tweet, I was buying Bitcoin at 54k and like 52k and 49.5k. I have orders open down here. They did not get filled, but my order from 54k got filled, which is very nice. It's now sitting at like 80% profit because I used some leverage. I did close the trade actually at this level when we were going up. I did close the trade right here, even though looking at the chart right now, to me it looks like this is nice support, and we could see something like this where we have a bounce maybe and retest this level, maybe consolidate in this range in the near future. Looking at Twitter, there's also a post from Titan of Crypto. He's actually saying some capitulation phase. Looking here, you can actually see this looks very similar to the beginning of 2023, where we also had some capitulation where everyone thought after this drop, this is it, we're going down. Nope, that didn't happen. We just consolidated between the trend lines and then, or on the support line, and then went up from there. So maybe that's possible. It would take us to around 84k, he says. So that's bullish in my opinion. We did not hit the 52k level right here, as I mentioned, like down here, the 52k level. The breakout of the previous triangle was like 52k. We did not get to it. We did get close. So in my opinion, like the liquidity of these candles are now all filled. So it's not likely, for, in my opinion, that we see a pullback to like 52 or 49.5k, unless there's a lot of bearish news coming out. I'm not sure. In my opinion, it's more likely to go up. Looking at the fear and greed index as well, it's only at 26. It's extreme fear, so that's very good. Usually when there's extreme fear, not many people want to buy Bitcoin, so that's most of the times a good entry point to get in. So lastly, let's look at the MVRV score. Right here, you can actually see that we went up, get a score of like 3.04, and then we went down to a score of 1.51 right now. This is very similar to the bull run of 2017, where we had this as well. We went up to around 2.9 and went down to like 1.45. It was a pullback. They happened multiple times. After that again, go up to 3.04, down to 1.53, which is so similar looking at this right here, from 3.06 to like 1.51. It's almost exactly the same MVRV score, and also it has a drop in the market of like the same percentage, which after that in the 2017 market we went up. So right now is it more likely that we go up or more likely than we go down? In my opinion, we've seen the same score drops as we've seen before, so right now should be a nice time to go up again. The top of the bull market, in my opinion, is nowhere near. Looking at these scores, you can actually see that once we hit the top in the market, we hit scores of around 10, 9.5, like 11 is this. This is around 7 and 7.2. So we could expect to hit an MVRV score of around 6 at least, if you look at it where it's diminishing. Right now we're at such low levels. There's no need to think that we are at the top of a bull market. So in my opinion, there's still more room to grow for Bitcoin. In my opinion, I see Bitcoin go up to like 225k at maximum. I think the top would be around 175k to 225k. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Be sure to subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.